What's up, guys? So today we are taking the dogs to the beach. I think we're gonna shoot some photos for Rover Coolers, right, with the dogs.
Maybe.
I feel like Rover is a good dog name too. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know why. I just heard the name and then instantly thought, oh, we should take some cool photos of them at the dog beach with the cooler, maybe, or something. We'll see. Stay tuned. It's so hot out. It's 98 degrees. It's so Nick Lachey out. And yeah.
Breathe in for a little while. Goosebumps on my waistline. I feel the fire burning a craze. Fall into your haze. Fucked up, so I play wild. Now I'm chasing the wild, 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 wild. Now I'm chasing the wild. Breathe in for a little while. Goosebumps on my waistline. I feel the fire burning a craze. Fall into your haze. Fucked up, so I play wild. Now I'm chasing the wild, 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 wild. Now I'm chasing the
Well, guys, I hope you liked our day at the beach. Thanks to our Rover cooler, it made getting all of this stuff down there super easy and getting it back just as easy. Dogs are tired out. I'm tired out. Courtney tired out.
No, I'm ready for food. Always.
So yeah, we're all tired out. Great day at the beach. And until next time, get a Rover.